In this video, I'm going to show you how to drop a note and craft a whisper in Once Human. So the first thing you need to do to drop a note is of course to craft a whisper, and you can do this pretty much at any of these supplies workbenches. So you simply walk up to one and press F, and in here you want to look for whisper. Then you want to click on it, and as you can see it costs only 5 logs, and you want to click craft, and then this will craft you a whisper in 5 seconds over here, as you can see, and it's done. You then want to click it and it will be added to your inventory. What you then want to do is press I to open up inventory, and from your inventory you will see your whisper. You have to go up here, click on this wrench, and you'll see it, and then you want to simply drag it down to your hotbar. For me it's going to be here at the very right. And then, as you can see down there on the right bottom of my screen, I have to press the minus key or the dash key to activate it. As you can now see, I got the ability to drop a note. Now, as you can see, I can add a title to it. So let's say I'm going to call it my note. It's quite basic, I know. And you can click to add a tag, and you can put, let's say, other and stuff like that. And then once you click other, you want to click confirm, and then you can post anything you would think would be useful. So let's say you want to give some tips, let's say you want to write in 1, 2, 3, etc. It doesn't really matter. And then once you've done that, all you have to do is click F and you will leave a message. So press F or click over here where it says leave message, and then once you've done that, as you can see, you've successfully left your whisper. It says whisper posted, and that's it. You've successfully posted your whisper in Once Human. Now, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.